Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Victoria, and if you're not, then welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I use this Aztec clay mask for my hair and my skin, just for like a rejuvenation, to kind of just resurrect or bring my curls and my skin back to life. I saw a couple reviews on this, and then I decided to try it out, and the first time I tried it out, it was fantastic. So I've been using it for a while now, and I thought that I'd do a review for you guys, and the kind of like tutorial, so you guys see how I use it, and you can see like the results, you know, from my skin and my hair going from this to how it's going to look afterwards. So you can see for yourself how it works, and if you want to try it out yourself too. So let's just get started. So the things I'm going to be using are obviously the clay mask, and I'm going to be using apple cider vinegar. You can use this or water, but this I think works better, but either way I think it's fine. Then I have a small bowl and a spoon to mix them in together. I'm going to take a little bit into the bowl, maybe like 3 big spoons. I don't think you actually need to use this much, I'm just extra. Okay, so I'm starting with this amount. Can you see it? I'm not sure if you can see it. Then I'm going to add the apple cider vinegar. And you don't need a lot, just a little bit. Something else that I noticed is that when I use water to mix this, it doesn't really mix properly. It just creates like there are still some hard, you know, like when you add water to clay, there's going to be like hard pieces. So that's what happens. But then when you use apple cider, it mixes really well, much better than with water. So you're just going to keep adding the apple cider or water, you know, until you get the consistency that you want. Or you can add some more powder, some more of the clay, to get the consistency that you want. So I'm just going to start now. And when you want to use this, you're not supposed to wash your hair beforehand, because this is like a detox, you know. It's a detox, so it's going to actually clean your hair as it does that. That's the whole point of the mask, to remove any kind of build-up. So it's like a great detangler, so you don't have to detangle before you do anything, which I know is very surprising, but it actually detangles hair really nicely. So I do everything in sections, so I'm just dividing my hair in sections, and I'm going to start at the back. And I know that I said you're not supposed to shampoo before you do this, but like it cleans your hair, it doesn't actually clean your scalp. So I still wash my hair after this, which I know like I don't think it's forbidden because I do it, but it's not exactly the directions. So I'm going to take some of this in my hand. You guys saw how my hair was detangled before, right? And now look at it. Look at you, now look at me. Look at you, now look at me. Look at you, now look at me. How you like that? And remember to concentrate on your ends no matter what you're doing. That's pretty much it. It's not rocket science or anything. So I'm just going to keep on doing that to the rest of my hair until I'm done. you shouldn't like wear something that you actually care about when you're doing this, because it can get very very messy, especially if it's your first time. You should probably just do it in the shower, and after that, when you get the hang of it, you can do it elsewhere. Or if you can't do it in the shower, then just don't wear like something. You don't need to wear something fancy to do, because it's going to stain a lot. Well, not stain, it's just going to get everywhere. So that's like a heads up. Okay, so I'm done, and I look like a ghost. It's like sourdough. You guys know sourdough. Oh, I only had a little left after doing my hair, so I just used it for my face. So what's going to happen is I'm just going to let this harden for like 10-15 minutes. I'm going to come and rinse it off, and I'll show you guys how it looks. I'll be back. I can't even laugh properly. Okay, so it's been like 20 minutes, give or take. So everything is like dried. My hair is dry, my face is dry, it's frozen in place. So let me show you guys. Okay, anyways, so I'm just going to rinse this out of my hair, and I'll be back. I'm not going to use anything to rinse it out, no shampoo or anything, just rinsing it out with warm water, and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I'm back. I've rinsed my hair, and let me show you how it is. Okay, first let me do my skin first. Yeah, anticipation. Okay, so focus. Now focus on me. I think I look brighter, don't you? Okay, so I'm not like a skincare expert, but I look cute. Okay, now focus on me. Okay, so let me show you guys my hair. Okay. Ooh, do you guys see, like, there's nothing in my hair? There is nothing in my hair. I just rinsed the clay mask from my hair. That's what I'm talking about. That's why this clay mask is so amazing. It's amazing. Granted, like I said, I'm still going to wash my hair because my scalp itches. But to be honest, my hair looks and feels amazing. It feels very soft, and you guys can see how it looks, so I don't need to tell you about that. And you need to be careful that you've washed out all the clay, because, well, for obvious reasons, you need to be sure that you've washed out all the clay. So I don't think I got everything per se, but that's fine because I said I'm going to shampoo again. But for those of you who are not going to be shampooing after using this, since it's already a detoxifying mask, you should make sure that, why did I just clap loudly? You should make sure that you've rinsed everything out properly to avoid any kind of problems. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful and informative. If it was, remember to give me a thumbs up. Remember to please comment something, anything, and please subscribe. I mean, you're already here, you enjoyed the video, you make it to the end, please subscribe. And when you subscribe, turn on my post notifications so you get notified each time I post a new video. So I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.